Guarda queste fragoline, mamma mia! Io sono chef e vivo a Londra. Hi, I'm Aldo Zilli. I'm an Italian chef from London, but today I'm in Venice to tantalize your taste buds with some ancient Venetian recipes discovered by Dr. Luca Mola from the University of Warwick. And guess what? The Warwick Venice Centre is just over there. So now, let's get cooking. Hey, buongiorno Luca.
Buongiorno Aldo, benvenuto a Venezia.
How are you?
Fine, very well, thank you.
Okay, Luca, so tell me this amazing recipe that you found for me.
Well, it's a recipe from the only recipe book that we have for Venice in the 14th century. It's more or less the time of Marco Polo, and it's in Venetian, and it gives also the amount of spices that you have to put in this dish. And it's all based on this local fish that we still have today.
It's all local.
It's all local.
So this is all very fresh. I can see the color. I can't smell fish, which is a good thing. Grazie. I have my present for the day. These are personal. So next stop is one of the oldest spice shops in Venice for a sprinkle of flavor. So I come out in the garden. I mean, this hotel is amazing. It's got this beautiful garden. Why not use it? I've got all my ingredients here. I'm going to do some chopping. I'm going to do some prepping. So just come over here and have a look at what I've prepared. So if you want to recreate this recipe, you need sardines, you need ginger, langoustines, prawns, you need cloves, you need peppercorn, you need celery, carrots, you need onions, cinnamon, bay leaf, nutmeg, olive oil, rosemary, vinegar, salt, sugar, and lemon. And I've got my vegetables, I've got my spices. I need fire. Ready to cook. Let's go. Dust your sardines in flour, fry them gently, toast your pine nuts, cook your vegetables in a different pot, add your vinegar, put the fish all in on top of the vinegar and the vegetables with some stock, cook for 20 minutes, job done. And for more information on these recipes, go to the University of Warwick website. Well, there you have it. Thank you to the University of Warwick for bringing me here to recreate some of these ancient recipes, which of course are going to end up in my house and in the restaurants.